G'day guys, we are here today at Born Again Restorations. This is a pretty exciting video for me, and you'll see why very soon. But yeah, I want to show you guys this shop. It's a very local shop to me. It's only just down the road, and Luke here, the owner, has come on board as a sponsor for the Sonvia. So it's going to be freaking wicked. We're giving it a birthday. But firstly, we're just going to explain what they do here at the shop, because they got a lot of crazy freaking cars here. And Luke is an absolute wizard with just about anything. This is the man himself. Hey buddy. So we're just going to give you guys a quick rundown of everything he does here in the shop. You can see in the back corner there the Sonny, and yeah, we'll just basically quickly run through from pretty much everything from panel beating, spray painting to, I don't know, absolutely everything. But we'll start at the front of the shop. Alright. So you can explain. It's actually good you got these bikes here, because you can literally tell everyone what you do, or what you can do with an old bike like this. So fire away, mate, because literally you can do tanks,
stickers, hand painted stripes, pull them from this down to nothing and then back up to a fully restored bike. Can any alloy, stainless, any TIG welding repairs, can do all in-house, and if I can't do it, I'll know someone that can.
So it's pretty much like if you have a restoration of any sort, motorbike, car,
boat, anything,
absolutely anything, you can bring it to this one shop, and it will come out ready to rock. Pretty much.
Yeah. So we can do metal polishing if you need.
So from old bikes like this to, I don't even know what car this is.
That's an XRGT.
XRGT. I probably should know that. So what have you done to this thing?
So it's had a respray about 10 years ago. Yep. And nothing lined up. Paint was peely. All the gaps, everything was no good. We had to clearance the wheel arches down the bottom there for the big rubber. Yep. So the tyres don't scrub when he decides to do some silly stuff. Gapped it, blocked it, and a full respray. So inside, like door jams? Door jams and all. Everything? Yeah. And I put it in a full stainless steel exhaust on it.
Yeah, wow. And then, so that's just one thing that he's doing here at the shop. You've got this thing, which is a
HJ47.
That's exactly what it is, a HJ47. Yeah. So this come into the shop as a
fire truck with a tray.
So it didn't have that on the back.
No.
I don't even know. Like obviously you've done.
So it was a full running driving car.
Yep.
But stripped down to a bare chassis, engine out, diffs out, completely stripped. Everything. Yeah. I replaced about a metre and a bit of the chassis. Blasted it, painted it, built it all the way back up again.
So was it a rust issue?
In the chassis.
Okay. So it does like complete, like obviously cut the chassis out, put a whole new one in.
Yeah, that's hand fabricated. So you can't buy chassis replacement sections of this car.
Jesus.
The tub came from Colombia.
Yeah.
The tub was built from a flat pack. And that needed a lot of work done to it as well.
Wow. So yeah, it's all, that one's pretty much all good to go. You've just done
headliner.
Headliner in it.
So
far out.
Yeah.
What about this one?
That one there is just a little tidy up job. So that actually came in with no seal panels on it.
Oh, at all?
No seal panels.
So you can see there.
They had been cut out and
yeah.
So that's just a tidy up. I sort of don't really like doing these sort of jobs. I sort of rather do them from scratch. Yep. Obviously not everyone has the same budget as pulling them all down to nothing and starting again. So I do the more affordable side of things, but it's sort of, they've got to be pretty sound cars. Yeah, you know, the type of stuff I do.
Oh, cool. And this cruiser over here. This is another car. There's always something happening here. What's going on with this thing?
So this will be the first time I've ever Raptor-lined a whole car.
So when you say that, let's go have a quick look at what you mean, because I was just as confused as you guys probably are. So it's this.
Yes, that is U-Pole Raptor. It's a 2-pack hardened sort of an epoxy liner.
Yep.
And you can tint it to whatever colour you like. You can thin it out and make it not as coarse.
So is it a normal thing to paint on the outside of your car?
Not really. It's big in America.
Oh, it is?
I think West Coast Customs got it here.
Yeah, wow. And the whole point of doing it on the outside of that?
So sticks, trees, bog holes won't sort of damage it like normal paint.
So you can just go thrashing without having to worry?
Yeah, pretty much. Hopefully.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully.
So that gives you guys a pretty sort of quick rundown of what happens here in the shop. But long story short, full restos, paint panel, rust repairs, like fabrication, like even intercooler piping,
bash bars, I sort of the whole lot.
Absolutely everything. And
headers, manifolds.
Oh yeah, so even doing manifolds. This is going to be a full merge collected into one. Nah. I'm trying to talk him into doing the old Tanner Faust exhaust manifold, but
I don't think it would sound as good as those LSs, would it? I know you like the sound of the LS.
Oh, don't get me started on LSs. But this is actually Luke's car himself. It's what?
7.4 litre, big block Chev.
I have no idea about them, but yeah, big block Chev, auto. You got a big ticket?
It's got a built field turbo.
Oh, yep.
So, and a 2-speed power glide with trans brake.
Jeez. So this is actually going to be. You've got a deadline for this, don't you?
I did.
Oh.
I come last, unfortunately.
It's got yeah, too many other things in his way, like me. And speaking of, we'll go have a look, see what's happening with this Sonny. This is exciting, this is. So we've got full new panels, new kit, new guards. We actually have, so they've already been stuck into the whole sort of, yeah, what would you say? Repair.
Re-repair.
Yeah. So I don't know if you guys have ever seen, but the roof was absolutely terrible. It was, I'll let you explain it, because you had to repair it.
I reckon someone's jumped on it. Did you do any victory stomps on the roof?
Yeah, a couple.
So yeah, I've just re-repaired the roof. Ground out any old filler work.
So there was heaps of bog in it, wasn't there?
Yeah, right in the middle.
And then there was a massive dent in the back where a seat actually fell out of my shed, and that's what caused that.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
it broke the window.
It didn't break the window. I don't know how, but yeah. So now it's freaking, look at it. It's freaking brand new. Even the boot, there was a big crack down here. That's all getting fixed up. It's gonna look freaking brand new. Just leave that. It's a bit of a battle scar.
Everything will be nut-surted, not.
Oh yeah.
Speed.
Yeah, just speed riveted.
Not speed riveted.
So this is the Jake Jones way. It's changing now. We're going to treat this car like the Beamer from now on.
That's how it works.
So then every time I finish an event, rip all the bolts off, pull all the guards off, give it a good clean. Everything's simple. I don't have freaking pop rivets everywhere. And yeah, it's going to be so much freaking better. The doors will actually shut properly. Because that pisses him off a lot. And then I suppose the final thing is the colour.
Yeah.
Which we haven't really settled on just yet. So I'll actually let you guys put some suggestions down below on what you think we should do. But that'll be coming in the next few videos, I think. It's going to be very different to what it was.
Yeah.
That's all we're going to leave it with for now. But yeah, it's freaking exciting. It's, yeah, it's going to be freaking nuts. I just can't wait to have it looking good again. And there's a few other little things.
Yeah.
Let's show them that. So while it's here, we're going to.
Front skirt is bent.
You can see there's a big kink. I can't remember what I hit. What did I hit there? I ran into someone, and I didn't even notice this. It's not even connected anymore.
This skirt's bent and kinked up through there as well.
Yeah, I had a big crash on that side too, so that's pretty much it, guys. Just giving you a quick update what's happened with the Sonny. We've actually, you've also fixed up 2 doors for it as well.
Yeah.
We've got 2 brand new doors. Well, they're brand new now. all ready to go. And then there's another one tucked behind the corner there.
My big sea of parts.
But yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you guys want to get in touch with Born Again here, they've got Facebook page. I'm also going to chuck their email in the description below. Instagram as well. And if you guys want to get in touch with Luke to get a quote or ask about any sort of job, just hit him up, either send him an email or a message on Facebook, and he'll get back to you as soon as he can. So massive thanks, man, for partnering up with Sonny. It's going to be exciting. Hopefully we don't have to do too many return visits to fix it up, but it's going to be freaking good. All right, guys, thanks heaps for watching, and we'll see you next time.